Prompt, a leader in providing software solutions across India, UK, Australia in the domains of pharma, healthcare and manufacturing industries. Our facts and figures are 80,000 plus active users, 100 million plus transactions processed, 25 partners worldwide, 5 delivery centers across the globe, which highlights our capabilities and persistence towards creating values for our customers and opportunities for prospects. Prompt's Distribution ERP is made to manage micro to macro operations seamlessly. Making more realistic sense becomes easy with promptERP now. It keeps you updated with accurate profitability and liabilities and helps you enhance business growth drivers.
Prompt's Retail and Distribution ERP is time-tested product serving to over 80,000 plus active users worldwide. The product manages thousands of use cases and fulfills modern work requirements with add-on services like InfoServer, Slive, mobility, and digital process automation, and renders sustainable digital front. Our manufacturing ERP is a cloud-native solution for process manufacturing industries. It meets all modern work requirements across organizations. The solution makes difference by offering most functional requirements and global features like multi-location, multi-currency, and BI. The solution can be integrated with any app in the marketplace to fulfill needs of current and future plans. Business drivers gets enhanced when the solution is fully utilized and the business reaps the benefits of beating competition, scaling business effectively, and build a sustainable business.
Prompt's hospital information management software offering cloud and on-premise options, ensuring flexibility. HIPAA compliant, it provides comprehensive modules for EHR, billing, appointment scheduling, and more, prioritizing secure and efficient healthcare. A best-in-class hospital information management system integrates these modules, fostering operational efficiency, patient care, and compliance.
Prompt's hospital management solution is designed to catalyze new pathways for better healthcare. Innovation is a continuous process, and we have put the innovation first in our vision to serve healthcare segment. All key modules integrated with ICD-11, HR, finance, insurance, pharmacy depicts its complete offering capabilities. Its capability to meet HIPAA, HL7, ISO 27001, NABH, and NABL standards and compliances makes it robust and deployable across the globe. At Prompt, the team keep converging technologies and enhance its products, solutions, and services with modern work capabilities. Our all offerings are integrated with one or other world-class services or products including Microsoft Azure, Excel, Power BI, Power Apps, etc. to prioritize business needs and leverage operational efficiency. These capabilities are well poised to position businesses across the globe to compete and survive and contribute towards net zero mission goals.